Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. Today I will show you how to connect your Namecheap domain to your Wix website. Now this is very simple. So guys, this is how you can do it. You can link your domain using a name servers, or you can link your domain using a Wix DNS template setup, right? Now, as you can see, this feature may be used if your domain name is pointed to our basic DNS or premium DNS. By default, Wix recommends choosing name server setup, right? As you can see. So this is basically how you can do it. So as you can see, obviously first you will need to sign into your Namecheap account. You will need to select the domain list on the left side, right? And go and manage the domain that you want to connect to your Wix website, right? Now, next up is you will need to select custom DNS here, and then you will need to basically put name servers, right? As you can see here, you see in your Wix accounts into the fields. Once done, you can make sure the green check marks to save the changes. This is how it will looks like, right? Just click custom DNS and then NS1. These are where your name servers are going to, right? Click OK, and then it may take 24 to 48 hours for DNS changes to take effect, right? Now, as you can see, you can go here in your Wix domains, and then here you can also see your domains and everything around your domains, right? Also, if you have API keys and stuff like that, right, you can see it right here. But if you have if you want to basically know the name servers of Wix, and if you're not really tech savvy, I would recommend to contact Wix support, and then they will tell you basically your name servers. You can put them here in Namecheap, and you will successfully connect your Namecheap domain to your Wix website. So that's pretty much how to do it. If you have any questions or comments, comment down below, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.